Behind us we've got, you'll have 6 boxes, they're not labelled. You'll be split into the teams that you saw earlier. You'll have to nominate someone to come up and pick. You won't know what's inside the box. But as Kelsey touched upon, there'll be 6 nations. They're all playing in the World Cup. There'll be a couple of standardised ingredients that all of you will have to make the actual core of the burger. But obviously you want you to get creative with it and flavour it with the stuff that's in the box.
As always, you guys have surpassed our expectations on how good they're going to look. They look wicked. So we're going to try them now. Harry's going to try the veggie ones. I'm going to try all of them, hopefully, if I can get my mouth around it. And Mitch is going to help us out as well.
The name for this one, what was it? Beans means faz. So,
and it's sombrero, as such it's got the Z factor. And the name of our burger is the sombrero.
What should I do with the 2 things I love the most in life? I smash them together and I'm gonna do an amazing burger. Beans and potato together.
Made up of sauteed mushrooms and marmite, hash browns with bacon, a bean burger, Heinz bean burger, obviously because Heinz English beans, you know, everybody knows it. This is obviously the hashtag it's coming home burger.
First place. France! And the taste was really good. And the
Very well cut.
The pate mustard thing, really good.